Hey there, I'm Jen. I am kind of excited because I am doing a guitar for the first time. My son told me that he would love to have a poured guitar, so I have been pondering it for a couple of weeks and prepared it and taped it all today. Um, it was really fun. It was a little bit difficult, and I am definitely going to be doing more of these. I absolutely love the finished result. Um, I did a couple of different techniques. I did, a basic bloom, and then I did a layered spiral pour cup to get more depth into the guitar. Lots and lots of extra paint. Just moving it around. It took quite a while, a lot of editing to this video to manipulate it the way that I was happy with. But as you can see, it came out beautiful. I am so excited to give it to him. Of course, after I resin it, which that will be another video once this cures. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give a share, a like, comment on it, ask me any questions you might have, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.